हेलो दोस्तों, एयरपोर्ट्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया हैज़ रिलीज्ड a vacancy for recruitment of junior executive in air traffic control. AAI has released the vacancies for JEE ATC. Total post 496. This is the first time AI has released so much post in one recruitment. Let's check about eligibility criteria regarding qualification of ATC. Educational qualifications required will be full-time regular bachelor degree of 3 years, that is BSc with physics and maths, or full-time bachelor degree BTech in any discipline with physics and maths should be a subject in any one of the semester. This time minimum 60% criteria is not applicable, so below 60% candidate can also apply. Now age limit for this examination will be maximum 27 years as on 30th of November 2023 and relaxation as applicable. Important dates: opening date of online application will be of 1st November and last date will be of 30th November 2023. Regarding pay scale will be of E1 level 40,000 basic pay and other perks will be there. Regarding this, a separate video will shortly published. Some important instructions: OBC certificate of non-creamy layer will be of financial year 2023-24 and certificate should be of central government. EWS certificate valid for financial year 2023 and 24 in prescribed format, and other certificates as on before date 30th of November 2023. And in case of integrated certificate master degree, candidate will have to produce a certificate at the time of application verification in support of possession of bachelor degree and statement of marks issued by university or institution. Now see about selection process. Selection process will consist of objective type online examination and there will not be any negative marking for wrong answer, followed by application verification, voice test, psychoactive substance test, psychological assessment test, medical test and background verification. Regarding this, another video will shortly published. And these are the list of psychoactive substance will be tested and the test report for the same should be negative. And regarding voice test and medical test, a separate video will shortly published. And candidate working in central government, state government, autonomous body or any other public sector undertaking are required to produce no objection certificate at the time of document verification. On selection, candidates shall also attain ICAO language minimum proficiency level 4 operational for the purpose of licensing of ATC rating. And what is ICAO level 4 minimum proficiency? For this also a separate video will also publish. And thanks for watching. And for more details, subscribe the channel. Thank you. Good day.